How are we all? Hope you're well. I was rudely awoken this morning by a delivery about 6:30, 7:15, and but I needed the parts, so I was really pleased with it. It was bits for the office, so I can crack on with some more bits today or all over the weekend, because it's looking like it's dry. I'm in the builders merchants at the moment. Took me delivery, done a little bit of work outside, and I'm just at Beasley and Fields. They are a little local merchant that I use regular by ours. So I'm going to pick up some supplies and then do a bit more on, but hopefully we're going to be taking the kids swimming today, because we've always took them to water babies and they've come on fantastic. We love it there, but the last 5 or 6 weeks we just haven't been able to get there with the kids. Unfortunately, they're both classes are separate. It's a little bit awkward. It doesn't quite work for us. They're in different venues and different times and things, and just with our work schedule we haven't been able to fulfill it, unfortunately. So they haven't been. So Laura and I are going to just try and find a local pool and take them both in there together and teach them some of our skills. So Nelly, where are we? We're at the swimming baths. We're going to go swimming, and this is a new one. We've not been in this one before, have we? It's in Highton. And what did you just call it? You said it's a really big
house.
It's not a house. Right then, Mummy, are we ready?
We're ready.
Good. Got the bags. You ready, Lennon?
Got the bag.
Lennon, you ready?
Got
Yeah, woo woo. Let's go.
Cool. Say bye-bye. See you later.
See you later.
Nelly, Lennon. No pushing. Where are we going to?
No.
Nelly. Great. Good start. What did you do that for, Nelly? That wasn't a nice choice, was it? Where are we going to? Tell me. Where are we going?
Aldi.
Where?
Aldi.
Enjoy that, Nelly. Enjoy your swim. You, Lennon. Enjoy your swim. Yes. Oh, yeah. What are they doing? What are they playing? Playing tennis. It's like that, yes. Badminton. Oh no, squash, is it? Squash. What do you think? Think you could do that?
No.
Now. How are they going to get out? They just get out through the glass door. What are you filming? So Nelly, that was a good result, wasn't it? Our first time here. Nelly's got a cut in her face, fighting with Lennon. It's okay. Swimming was successful. The soft play wasn't so successful. Now we were going to go out for a bonfire display tonight, but turns out last night the fireworks scared Lennon and he just couldn't settle for hours and hours. So we're not going to go out to one. We're going to do our own in the garden with no fireworks, just sparklers, in hope that the neighbours with their big gardens around here don't set off too many fireworks, and if they do, we can quickly get Lennon inside. And Sydney, she doesn't like them either. No, Sydney hates them. What we are going to do is we're going to light our little fire pit we built a couple of years ago now, and get that going, get the marshmallows out, maybe get some fish and chips or baked potatoes. I don't know yet. I might even put the pizza oven on, that'd be cool. But hopefully this rain stops. I mean, look at it, it's miserable at the minute. Anyway, I'm just taking Sydney for a little walk on the field. Hopefully it'll ease off a little bit, because she has been out all day, bless her. Now Sydney may be a fat little bulldog, however, for the first few hundred metres, I was going to say she's like Usain Bolt, but maybe this wet weather's put her off. So about half an hour into our walk, and unfortunately the rain isn't stopping, so I hope it will by about 5-6 o'clock when we get the fire lit outside. And hopefully we've got some friends coming over as well, which would be nice. But you know, it was funny, just had a conversation with Laura. It was a little bit last night actually, and she was like, oh, don't film me and you're doing this video diary, blogs, whatever they're called, you know, don't put me in it. My hair's not done, I'm in my joggers, all the usual stuff. And then we were chatting about it, and then the penny dropped, and whether anyone bothers watching these or enjoys watching me, you probably won't, because it's my life and it's my world sort of thing. But what we've come to the conclusion is, and we are only testing this for 30 days, is that over the years, the amount of work I've been doing and travelling I've been doing, I mean, my 35 years of work life has been absolutely roller coaster in a very good, positive way. You know, I run a building company for over 10 years. This was before Big Brother. I had about 30 staff working for me. We did everything on plans right through to completion. And then the last 22 years since Big Brother, you know, the opportunities I've had, the experiences I've had, traveling the world, working all over the world as well. We've done filming with BFBS, which is the British Forces Broadcasting Services, and we filmed in Kosovo, Bosnia, Germany, Cyprus, the Falkland Islands, the Ascension Islands, Faslane, Scotland, you know, and the sights we seen and the things we got up to with the military, it was just absolutely priceless memories. Now, what I'm a little bit concerned about is I used to always keep a paper diary, and that was partly for work, but I would write notes and things where we went and what we did, captured a few photographs. But since the Big Brother, since doing like makeover shows, for instance, you know, I've probably done more than 2,000, both with BBC, ITV and all the other network providers, and I don't want to say I've forgotten about them all, because I certainly haven't. I've got some lovely memories, but what I think's happening is they've all kind of merged into one, in a way. You know, we met wonderful people on the way, got to work with wonderful, interesting people and change people's lives when we've done makeovers for them, and the transformations, the things we've built and things, they are all merging into one, and I can't even single one out now to think about it. So I think doing this video diary is going to be a great way to just look back on, whether it's in a few years, few months, even 10 years time, and actually see what you were doing on that day, see how the kids have evolved and grown up and things. So for us, we've I've got to be honest, I'm starting to enjoy it a little bit more now, where a week ago when I finally got talked into doing it, I wasn't enjoying it. I didn't really enjoy it. I thought, oh, this is going to be a bit of a chore, I've got to do it. But I committed for 30 days, and I think what we're in now, 5 days in, going into 6 days, the first weekend. So yeah, for me, I'm looking forward to look back on this diary footage in many years to come. And do you know what? I'd advise anyone to do it, whether you are going to put it publicly on your social media or not, or whether you just want to keep it for your own personal use. I highly recommend do it because memories sadly can fade away, but hopefully video footage won't. Yeah, thanks Sydney. Nice little shake up the wall. Lovely. So they're all chilling. I'm going out for a run.
So I'm just jumping on Craig's little vlog diary for the day to show you what he's gone out running in. Yeah. Good luck, baby.
Lovely. It pissed down basically.
Oh, we know we filmed it.
Wet through. Feel my pants, Nelly? No? Soaking, wetting and puffing and panting. 15 minutes. Only 4.5 years ago, before being married, before having kids, before building a house, I could do triathlons at an Olympic level. Now, I can't even do 4 blocks in a field without getting soaked through. And I get back to this, fast asleep, scratch on your face from soft play, watching The Grinch. Just how we like them, fast asleep. Sitting in the car for the minute, just placed an order at my favourite chip shop. Fish and chips it is tonight. We don't often have them. Laura won't let me. I'd have it every day. But one of Laura's friends coming over, and I've just starting the fire as well outside, so should be a nice night. Nelly, you got your snowsuit on? Ooch, snowsuit, lovely. Lennon, you got your snowsuit on? Give us a smile, Lennon. Yeah, lovely. Oh, that's it. Don't let it get too hot.
Smoking.
What do you think, Nelly? Careful.
I think mine is red.
Oh, lovely. Is that nice? Is that nice? Yeah. Come away from the fire. You want some, Nelly? You gonna have some? It's warm. No? It's nice, isn't it? It's warmer. Oh, woo! Did you see that one?
Oh, it's behind that tree.
See it? You liking that, Nelly? Is that nice, Nelly? Careful with them. Come on back with them. Another little dog here. Sydney's friend.
Daddy,
They
hot.
are hot, aren't they? I know.
Yeah.
You put them back in the fire just in case it's not that hot.
Hot.
Is that nice, little man? You enjoying that? Hey, are you enjoying it? Oh, lovely, look. Oh, lovely. Ooh,
What's that bang?
they're banging. That's the fireworks. Can you hear them banging? Ooh, ooh.
That was close, wasn't it?
Nelly, can you hear them fireworks, darling?
Yeah.
I
Let's see now.
She come out.
Like the little doggies.
You're all out here, I think. Yeah. See Luna.
There's his dog. You okay, Lennon? Boom.
Where's your marshmallow? Where's your marshmallow gun?
Where's your marshmallow?
With all the grass.
Oh, lovely. Have a look. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll have to let Sydney have that one.
Is that for Sydney? Nell, look over that way. There might be some over there.
Oh, fireworks coming that way. The moon looks nice. You see any, Nell?
No.
No.
Can you do your name?
What's that, Nelly? Look.
Just want to hold it.
Got a sparkler. Ooh. Look. A sparkler. Does Daddy like one? Only a bit of light off that.
Yeah, that's
Oh, look. We got two. They good? Like them? Go like this, write the name. Lennon want to hold one? Lennon hold one. Lennon hold one.
Yeah, can you see it? You write names there again. I know you're very good at your name.
Wow, Nelly. That's great. Way. It's your first sparkler. Do you like it?
Oh, nearly, it's nearly mastered. White.
Lennon's first sparkler.
You want it in your carrot?
Oh, it's run out.
Don't touch the
Finish now.
Finish.
Yay, that's it.
It's usually a safe spot.
You like that?
It's
It's funny, isn't it? That's funny, that. Whee!
It's going in your phone.
Nelly, look. I'm missing them now. Nelly. Nelly, look. You having your milk? Yummy. Are you? Oh, bully. Too tired.
Yes, she's nice.
So now. So Laura, guests have gone. You enjoyed yourself? Enjoyed the sparklers?
Shattered. I have to
You
say,
enjoyed Sydney?
Don't you think?
Sydney had little friends around.
Considering we got mega sparklers or whatever they were called, extra
Another
large
little drink.
mega sparklers.
Yeah.
I do remember them being like a lot bigger.
When we were kids, sparklers. I think they lasted longer when we were kids.
Yeah.
Oh well.
But they like them. Nellie's eating a body weight in marshmallows. Job done.
The two kids are down asleep, a little bit later than normal, but they're settled, are they?
Yeah.
And that's exactly what we're going to do. Good night. Thanks for joining us. Join us again tomorrow.